YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to fix Birdfy camera would not turn on, power and battery troubleshooting guide. So guys, if you're facing such type of issue, so guys, first of all perform a full charge. Most common cause of the dead camera is entirely depreciated battery. So you use a standard power adapter and provide the USB-C or the micro USB cable. Then charge the camera for at least 4 to 6 hours before attempting to power it on. Then check the indicator light while it is plugged in. A solid or blinking light confirms the battery is taking the charge. If no lights appear at all, the outlet or the charging cable may be faulty. Then guys, check fix 2, which is hard reboot the camera. If the camera has frozen, a simple power cycle is required to force it to restart. So guys, you locate the reset or reboot hole on the camera, often covered by a rubber flap. Use an ejector pin or the paper clip to gently press and hold the reboot button for 1 to 3 seconds. After rebooting, press and hold the main power button for 3 seconds to turn it on. Then check for water damage or debris. So guys, remove the camera from its housing or feeder. Inspect the USB charging port for water, moisture and dirt or the band pins. And ensure the rubber switch ports cover are closed tightly to prevent moisture from shorting the device. Then guys, deep discharge recovery. If the battery was left flat for the extended period, it may have fallen into the deep charge state. Leave it plugged into a wall outlet continuously for 24 hours to 48 hours without unplugging. If absolutely no indicator lights turn on after the prolonged charging, the battery may have degraded past the battery of recovery and will require the contacting support for the replacement. After that guys, thank you and have a nice day, and guys subscribe.